Hi, welcome to Lillian's English Place. My name is Lillian. Today we will be talking about family. We will learn words and expressions that we can use when we're talking about our family. Let's get right to it. What you're looking at right now is a photo of a typical family tree. You may have a family tree that is a little bit different from this one. That's not a problem. We're going to use this one today as an example. So at the top of the tree we have Simon and Jesse. Simon and Jesse are married and they have two daughters, Sabrina and Helen. Helen is married to Paul and they have a daughter called Rita. Rita is married to Mario and they have a son, Kevin. Now with Sabrina here, she's married to Mark and they have a daughter, Natasha. Natasha is married to Steve and they have two children, Belle and Emmanuel. When talking about family, here are some questions that you can ask. For example, number one, how is A related to B? When I say A and B, it just means people. So for example, how is Simon here related to Jesse here? And the answer to that is Simon is, or Jesse is Simon's wife, right? Number two, what is the relationship between A and B? What is the relationship between Belle and Emmanuel? Belle and Emmanuel are brother and sister. Who is A to B? Who is Sabrina to Mark? Well, Mark is Sabrina's husband, or you can also say he is her husband. Now the reason why I underline related to here in questions 1, 2 and 3 is so that you should note that this is the way we say it. So we will say related to and not related by. Here we're going to say the relationship between one person and the other, and the right question is who is Sabrina, for example, to Mark, not with. You cannot say, if you say who is Sabrina with Mark, it's not right. Okay, now let's look at some vocabulary. Here you notice that we have two columns. We have a column for males and we have a column for females. If you look at this table or this column carefully, you will notice that we have the word cousin here. Cousin in the male column and cousin in the female column, it just means that a boy, a girl, a man or a woman can be a cousin. So we have the same word for both sexes. Right. Now, why do we have these words? These words here are the short form, right? So husband, wife, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, nephew, niece, grandfather, grandmother, grandson, and granddaughter. This is the short form. There is another way, at least two other ways you can say the same thing. Now let's look at this practice here. Let's look at this example. We have Kevin's mother's mother is his grandmother. Basically, another way of saying grandmother here is the mother of Kevin. So for example, if I want to talk about my grandmother, I would say the mother of my mother is my grandmother, right? And if I want to talk about my cousin, if I want to describe my cousin to you in terms of the family tree, I would say the daughter of my father's brother, the daughter of my father's brother, or the daughter of my father's sister is my cousin. So that's why we have here, if you remember our family tree above, you have Rita's mother's sister's daughter is her cousin, right? So here is a little practice for you. If you go back to the family tree at the beginning of this lesson, can you tell me who is Simon's daughter's son? How would you call this person? All right, so check back for the answer to this little quiz here in our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.